joke lang. Kasi nga, kaya pa excited ako. Okay, Alina. Our best in costume. Best in costume goes to performer number 2. Who cares? Riding to a group of Bacolod City. And they will be receiving worth of 1,500. The 1,000 gift certificate and 500 cash. From Bacolod City.
Meron na nasubong ang muna sila.
Another special award. Our next special award is the most energetic team. Sino ay ang most energetic? Ano ginawa? Basta na energetic ka, no? Sa mga audience, sa ginagawa pag sino ang energetic team? May number 2, may number 5, may number 6, 7. Okay. Dako pa sa tanan. Our most energetic group goes to... The judges had already spoken. Our most energetic group goes to performer number 5. This is it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Already, 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, once again, congratulations. Our second runner-up will be receiving 5,000 worth of prizes, 2,500 cash and 2,500 gift certificate coming from Metro Hinigaran. And also they will be receiving a plaque or a trophy. Trophy na plaque of recognition. Our third place, our second runner-up goes to... Who do you think ang ating second runner-up? Our second runner-up, garnering the average score of 86%, goes to performer number 1. Performer number 1 is Nice Mom Zumba Group of Barangay Carcaso. We request our panel board of judges to please upon the number of 96.66%. How 10% idang lamang nila sa second runner-up, no? 96.66%. Our first runner-up goes to... Ang kutong ko na yan, judge, para hindi na mamulumbia, ha? Goes to... Garnering the average score of 96.66% goes to performer number 2. Once again, congratulations! PK